In this video, you'll learn how to set the URL in your WordPress website. This process involves updating two important fields that define how your site is accessed by users and how it operates in the background. Begin by accessing your WordPress admin dashboard. You can do this by entering your website's URL followed by /wadmin in your web browser. Once you reach the login page, enter your credentials to gain access to the dashboard. Next, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, navigate to the section labeled Settings. When you hover over or click on Settings, a submenu will appear. Click on General from this submenu to open the General Settings page. On the General Settings page, you will find two fields that need your attention. The first is labeled WordPress Address URL. This field indicates the location where your WordPress files are installed. The second field is labeled Site Address URL. This is the URL that visitors will use to access your website. Enter your desired URL in both of these fields. Ensure that the URLs are accurate and reflect the correct protocol, either HTTP or HTTPL. This is essential for proper functionality and security. Pay special attention to any typos, as incorrect URLs can lead to accessibility issues. Once you have entered the URLs, scroll down to the bottom of the page and locate the button labeled Save Changes. Click this button to apply the updates. After clicking, you may notice a brief loading indicator as the changes are saved. It is important to confirm that the changes have been successfully saved before navigating away from the page. After saving, it may be helpful to test the new URLs by entering them into your browser to ensure they direct to your website correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check the URLs you entered for accuracy. Additionally, keep in mind that changes may take a few moments to propagate, especially for visitors accessing your site for the first time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.